Hey guys, people keep asking how I'm doing since my wife died 8 months ago. It's actually been 8 months ago today, so I thought I'd make a video about it. I'm actually doing pretty good. For the people that don't know what happened, last January she got the flu and it got into her lungs. It turned into Acute Respiratory Distress Syndrome, and it basically just destroyed her lungs. She was in the hospital for like 3 weeks and she finally died from it. So I've actually made a lot of videos talking about this on my other channel. If you don't know, I have two channels. The other channel is TosTinMan, and on that channel I talk a lot about chronic pain, but since she died, I figured that's emotional pain, and I've actually made quite a few videos like this talking about it on that channel. I think it's kind of been good therapy for me, you know, just to keep talking about it and getting it out. And I feel like I'm doing pretty good. It's been 8 months today, and I feel like as time goes by, you know, it gets easier and easier. I mean, there's still bad days, but when it's kind of tough, but for the most part, I think, you know, making videos like this and just putting it out there and getting it off my chest has really been helpful for me. And then other people who've, you know, gone through losing someone seem to, you know, appreciate the videos as well. So I feel like maybe it's helpful to other people. So I appreciate you guys, you know, asking and, you know, and all the support I've gotten from you guys. I thought, you know, it's been a while since I've talked about it on this channel, so I figured I'd just, you know, make this video, put it up on this channel today, and kind of let you guys know that I'm doing pretty good. You know, making these videos, it gives me something to do. I mean, so I enjoy the cooking, and I feel like, you know, talking about what happened and talking about pain on my other channel, it's been helpful for me as well. It kind of really changes your perspective, death does. The way I look at life now is just live today and plan something for tomorrow. If I wake up, that's it. I don't plan any farther than tomorrow. I just try to enjoy today, plan something for tomorrow, and try not to waste any time worrying about coulda, woulda, shoulda stuff in the past. You know, if you just live for today, I've been doing that for 8 months now, and it's working out pretty good for me. Each day is, you keep doing that, and now 8 months have gone by, and I feel like, you know, I'm doing a little better, you know, each month that goes by. So I appreciate you guys' support, and I will talk to you next time.
Sometimes it's just plain hard. Life can knock you down, it can break your heart.